everyone, I am Alia Shamir of class 7C from Siddhartha Central School, Parliament. Today I am here to do an experiment, a biology experiment. The topic given to us is transpiration in plants. So, for this experiment, the materials required are 2 polythene bags and 2 strings, or you can either use bread threads or just rubber bands. So first you also need a potted plant or a plant. So here the first step is to take a polythene bag and cover up the leaves in the plant. So firmly cover or firmly tie the string to the mouth of the polythene bag. Make sure that no air enters the mouth of the inside the polythene bag. Now keep it for 1 to 2 hours and what happens. Now here I have tied the polythene bag in a plant which has leaf, in a branch which has leaf. Now I am going to tie the polythene bag in a branch which has no leaves, without leaves. Okay, it's just a stem. Sorry, not a stem, it's just a branch. So as I said, keep it for 1 to 2 hours and watch what happens. So I think you all are very curious to know that, right? Don't worry, I'll be back soon after 1 hour. Hey everyone, I am back. So we tied the leaves with polythene bag. Now don't you guys want to know what happened? Just see. So here you can see that the polythene bag is covered with tiny water droplets. You can see here. Isn't it? Yes. Do you guys want to know why is this happening? Or what's the theory behind this? This is because leaves have tiny pores on them known as stomata. Okay. When the stomata loses water, it comes and sticks to the polythene bag, or it stays around the polythene bag. So what happens? When the tiny pores of the leaves, that is stomata, loses water, when tied with polythene bag, it loses water. Okay. So when it loses water, this water comes and stick around the polythene bag. You can see that here. Isn't it? Yes. Here, this process is known as transpiration. This process is known as the transpiration. So, we have already tied another bag. So, now let's look that. So, this is the another bag which I tied. So, here I did not tie it with leaf. It was just with the branch of the plant. So, you can see that no water is there. You cannot observe any water here. This is because as there is no leaves in it, transpiration does not take place. Isn't it? You need stomata, and stomata is present in leaves. As there is no leaves here, there is no transpiration. So I hope you all enjoyed this experiment. Thank you and have a nice day.